no one knowing about us to having hundreds of thousands of followers. From 0 views to millions of views. From Gunnersbury Park to Paris. From doing this on our own to linking up with one of the biggest brands in the world and one of the biggest football brands of all time. Top Ball and Adidas Predator Series starts today and we are in Liverpool. We are running a men's and women's event, and right now you are watching the men's event and it's about to get crazy. And as always, Top Baller wants to give things away to you guys, especially who show us support by watching our episodes and commenting and showing us all the love that you show us. Keep your eye peeled for a QR code that will pop up here in the corner of the screen for your chance to win yourself a pair of Adidas Predator boots. Brand new thing, all right? So keep your eyes peeled. Lots of love, thank you lot. Let's get into these interviews. What makes Liverpool different to the other cities in terms of football?
The passion in it, like just the passion and the hunger, to be honest.
The passion for the game, innit?
Scousers, innit?
The Scousers,
man,
the
Scousers,
Scousers, just Scousers. I hear it. Them men are different. Them men are different guys still. You've been here a couple times. You've even been to different countries with us. Are you changing your approach today, or are you just gonna keep hitting him with the same?
I'm honest. I'm gonna do my best to be an entertainer, as usual.
Okay.
I feel as though that's what gets me far. I'm not gonna think too much.
I feel you.
That's how you do it. Boots are magnificent.
Oh.
Magnificent.
Are you hearing the vocabulary now? Magnificent. Thank you. Can you give a little shout out to Adidas for us, please, my bro?
Shout out to Adidas. Who's gonna be the prey? Because man's the predator.
Oh! All right. What ability do you have that's gonna take you far in today's tournament?
I'm gonna skim everyone and score.
Oh, all right. It's gonna skin everyone and score. All right. Say no more, bro. All right. Good luck today. Do your thing, my bro.
Oh, hello.
I am here with
Leon.
Leon. Are you from Liverpool, my friend?
Yeah.
Native, yeah?
Yeah.
Scouser, yeah? Perfect. That's what we want. Want to show everyone all the talent in every corner of England, bro. What position do you play?
The 10 or the wings.
10 or on the wing, so you're a magician, basically.
Yeah.
All right. What do you think you're gonna? What are you gonna bring today that's gonna take you far in the tournament?
So I'm a cook a couple, man. Just obviously get them clicks, you know what I mean? Don't need to talk too much. Talk's cheap, but I just have to show, man. I promise you now. It's like this will be light work. This baby food.
All right. Say no more.
Stepping stone, man.
All right. So I feel like we may birth a star again today. What's your name, my bro?
Joe.
Joe. Are you from Liverpool?
Yeah.
Yeah. What part?
Kenny.
Who do you support?
Liverpool.
All right. I support Arsenal, just so you know. You get me? We smoked your man the other day. I just want to let you know that I'm a gooner, so you get me? What position do you play?
Right back.
Right back, yeah? All right then. Right backs do well in this tournament. What ability do you have that's going to take you far?
1v1 defending. I think that's my biggest strength in it.
All right.
And I can give a bit going forward as well.
All right, wavy. This guy wanted another shot, bro. Tell him your name. David. He was here in the Manchester episode, wasn't it? All right, you done pretty well that day, my bro. So, you've been here before, you know what this is all about. Are you going to change your approach a little bit, or are you going to go for the same thing?
Probably change it, you know what I mean? Just change it. She's a bit nervous stuff. First time, but I'll propose, you know what I mean?
Are you from Liverpool?
Yeah, I'm from Liverpool.
Okay. What's your name, my bro?
My name's Cade.
Cade, are you here from Liverpool?
Yeah.
Who'd you play for?
Yeah, I'm Stephen Gerrard Academy.
Stephen Gerrard Academy.
Yeah.
Jeez, all right.
Yeah, shout out to Adidas, man. Helping us out with the clothes and with the boots.
Yeah. Love to Adidas for that, man. Thank you very much, my bro. Do your thing today, yeah? Welcome to Top Ball and Adidas Predator Series. Yes, we have teamed up with Football Titan, that is Adidas, to bring you a supreme 1v1 tournament. We are about to unearth more talent, we're about to give away more prizes, and we're about to create more madness. We are here with the creme de la creme of ballers from Liverpool. A couple guys that came from outside to crash the party, but to be honest, it don't matter where you're from. Liverpool, London, Manchester, Morecambe, wherever you're from. The only thing that really matters is if you're a baller. Shout out to Adidas for dripping our players in the latest Adidas gear. They got the... Look at the boots. Look at the boots. Are you feeling good? You can see they got the Adidas Predator boots that you've seen all over social media on their feet. These things are made for banging goals. They're made for champions. So you know that the entertainment level is going to be on 1,000 today. So yo, without further ado, let's get into it. Top Ball and Adidas Predator Series starts now. Let's end the talking. Let's go. Let's go. Not good enough, not good enough. 1-1.
That's a serious keeper, man. Come on, no. That's a serious keeper, man.
Liverpool keeper right there.
Great finish. Great finish. Love that.
Great goal. What an angle. What an angle. Let's go, Emmanuel. You need to score. Sometimes I lose it and kick the ball over the fence.
It's only just so right that it's on the last point that he's now off the pitch. Let's go, next up. Let's go. Come on. Show them something. Show them something.
Lock.
1-0 challenge. And let's go, challenge.
One.
Left him.
Pace.
Leave him.
Great.
Nah, that didn't go in.
An inch.
Nah.
Right, Callum, what you got?
Don't let him do it, Callum. Stepped him.
Good turn,
Stepped
great
him.
turn.
Hey, keeper, that's on you as well.
Naughty.
Don't let him do that, G. Aye, aye.
Right, get him back.
Aye.
Great finish.
Response.
Excellent
Response. I
Excellent
love it.
response.
Mentality. And he shelled it down in Manchester. He tells me he moves like Lukaku.
Well, hey, good defending. Good defending. Good defending.
1-0.
Great goal. Excellent.
Left it, made it look easy. Is Bolton man gonna get a 2-0? Don't have that 3-0.
Let's go, man. 2-0.
He went for the.
Oh,
He went for the factory
keeper
seal
made it
on
look
that one.
easy.
He went for the default move on that one. I seen him pull that out. Come on, come on. Well done. Oh, good save.
Well done, keeps.
Great save.
Come on, let's go, play.
Hey.
Well done. Thank you, Christian.
Those shots need to pop off, man.
Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Oh! Let's go.
Well done, well read,
Go, man.
well read.
Help us, Shaljam.
Let's go, 1-0 Leon.
Ooh, alright, alright.
Good try, good
Try
try.
simple.
1-1.
Good feet. Oh, yeah. You
I
have
keeper
the
took
back,
that
you
easy. Oh! Defender matched him. Defender matched
Yeah,
him. Let's go. Oh!
He stopped that.
3-2.
Good match up. Good match up, these two.
Let's go.
Oh, you might have seen him before.
Mo told me, give me an opportunity, I'm gonna win this. Five.
Hey, good. Ooh. Wait. Wait. Wait.
Keeper's good. Come on, come on, come on. Five.
Oh, you left him. Oh my gosh, you left him.
It's dangerous.
Oh my God, he skinned him.
Hey, listen, Liverpool Uni boy, Liverpool Uni Insta hit me up and said my boy Todd Watts is winning it. But Big Ahmed killed man out in Paris. He don't even speak English, bro. Man came here only French speaking to smoke guys in Liverpool.
Let's go. Listen, we got Liverpool Uni against Paris.
Oh, it's coming. Oh, what a goal. What a goal! He came from France!
Ahmed's naughty.
Come on. It's 2-0 right now. 3-0. Well done, mate.
Oh! Oh!
Save.
Hey!
Save.
He left. Hey! Man was running
Save,
that
well,
way,
save.
bro. He came from Wales. He said, "Let me in.
Did he?
Let me in.
Wales.
Let's go."
Man came from Wales. Let's go. Ah. Oh, okay. Lovely goal. Lovely goal.
Came from Wales, lad. It's a serious man. Not one smile on his face. No one's out this round. No one's out.
Yeah, nobody's out. Nobody's out. Nobody's out.
Oh!
Hey, that guy's got a problem.
Nothing. Nothing. Play on.
Oh my gosh.
Play on. Play on.
Still going. Man had the keeper. He had the keeper running. Keeper running.
Hey, I'm with it, bro. Keep it going.
It's better, bro. Great defending that. Unks on that.
3-1. A little bit soft. Let's go. Come on.
Let's go.
Show us something. Come on. Come on. Come on, man. We need something. We need something.
Oh! Keeper read that.
Hey, nah, this guy's actually saving it.
Keeper read that.
Oh, he's gonna get chopped up.
Well stopped. Well stopped.
Chopped up.
Good save, keeper.
stopped.
Let's go 2-2, next one wins.
Well done. Good start. Well done. Well stopped. Well stopped.
Let's go, let's go.
Come on, Todd. Represent Liverpool Uni. Oh shit, you got shut down real quick. You didn't even let me finish the sentence. Dangerous lefty. The lefty's dangerous. I love it. For real, don't stop. Don't stop.
Oh, well defended again.
2-2. I Mo, you sent me 100 highlights and told me you're gonna win it. Man was. Big up, Joe. Joe, they're loving you here, Joe. They're loving you. Yes, Mo.
Excellent. Hey, that's something.
Oh.
Hey, where are the attackers at, man? It's just some great defending. Let's go 1-1. Go on, go on.
Play on. Play on. Rerun.
That's the Merseyside beef.
I'm not having it, man. Just pushed him. Go on, Joel.
That's a foul. That's a foul.
Hey,
That's a foul.
what's 1 point? Hey, you done it twice, yeah?
Red card, rapper.
2-1. You gotta score, Joe. You gotta score. You gotta score.
Well done. Great.
Yes! Go on, Joe.
Great finish.
Even I'm fucking celebrating. Go on, Joe. Boom.
Hey,
going.
played.
5,
Played.
4.
Oh, cut back. It's not 2v2. That's a good player, but he had to finish them chances, man.
I just need to get the guys, make sure you're warmed up. Let's go, kid. Let's go.
Ah, missed it. Great touch. Oh, great.
Yeah, that's what we love to see around that corner, man. Drop you the guy and bang it. 2-1 goal.
Good touch. Strength. Strength, great strength. Still one player still. Nah, he's just tracking on you. You're right, bro.
Unfortunate. Liverpool Academy player. Listen, maybe next time. See him at Anfield shining.
He has to now. This guy's.
Oh, do it for Andy.
Oh my days!
I'm contributing to the dancing emoji. Fuck me. I don't have it, Favour. Don't have it, Favour. Don't have it. Don't have it. Don't have it.
Well done.
3, 2, and move.
Diogo Jota.
He's on the floor.
No handball.
You lot are taking the piss.
Diogo Jota.
I was man on the floor.
Jota. Jota, what have you got? Whoa.
100%. You can't tell me you just didn't drag him by his shoulder. I'm going to give you a rerun for this, so not a point against, because you know that was a foul. Yeah? You just dragged up his whole shoulder. Come on, Favour.
Foul or not, man?
That wasn't a foul there.
Praise, this guy's right.
No way.
That could be the winner.
Yeah.
I think him or the striker in the right back.
Yeah, listen,
This guy's a
he's
baller.
mad. I'll give him that.
Hey! Whoa! 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 This guy moved like a bulldozer, bro.
Oh!
The Durham!
5,
Durham spin!
4.
Oh! The Durham spin, we've seen it live, oh!
Let's go, come on. Come on, Ross.
Let's go, Ross.
Should have played on. Potts, come on.
Let's go, Mr. Durham. What
Right.
you got?
I see.
Go on, Ross.
Unlucky, well done, man.
Come on.
Sometimes it pops off, sometimes it don't.
One of the highly rated players out. But it is what it is, man. That's a beauty of top baller.
Bro, we unearthed the gem out in Paris. Oh!
Nah, it's not far. It's definitely not far.
He knows that's not. Of course it's not. I thought you guys were going to start calling for. I was about to say. Don't have it. Don't have it, man. Don't have it. Don't let him do it again.
It's not even about letting him, man. If he decides to.
Oh my
my days! The keeper was that.
Okay, so.
This guy's dirty, bro.
Ici c'est Paname.
Ici c'est Paname. Ici c'est Paname.
Hey, do an Emmanuel. Hold on. Nice, too good. Let's go. Oh, that was a touchy. French Montana, you know. Show him some love.
Ici c'est Paname.
Ici c'est Paname. Ici c'est Paname. I tell him. Ici c'est Paname. I say to you, why you knocking off the calves, bro? Them greenish calves, bro.
Big calves. Big calves.
I don't know if he's ready for it. Let's go, bro.
We got a super uncle.
Hey! Oh.
Come on, guys.
You charge it. Back. I have to run it. Run it back. Run it
We
back.
got a super
Hey,
uncle.
let's go. Calvesy.
Uncle Calves. Uncle Calves.
What you got for them?
Uncle Calves, come on.
Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey, rerun. The ball's going that way, not straight. A rerun. I'll give you a rerun. That's fair. Hey, Oh, fuck. Is he one of you guys?
Come on, Uncle Carves, this is your last chance! Uncle Carves, make sure! Make sure!
Last chance! Come on, Unks!
Whoa! That was a foul. It's a foul. It's a foul. Uncle Carves, you're still in the game. Let's go.
You know he's a lefty. The lefties come dangerous. Oh, he's making. Oh my.
Keeper left him though. Keeper let him down.
Let's go, 1-0 Charlie.
Don't hold the free. He's gonna hold the free. He's gonna hold the free. He's having too much fun with it.
Oh my days.
Unlucky, my guy. Big up. Yeah. Get in front. You don't always be.
Let's go, who's our next
He's scared Fisio. That is the pure coisa. That is the pure coisa. He shows you.
Let's go, Joe.
Good challenge, man.
That's it, man. There you go, man. It's 1-1, man. It's 1-1. Let's go, Keith.
Straight at keeper.
Go on, Joe, lad.
Wes. You gotta score. You gotta score, bro.
Oh, what a tackle, bro.
2-2.
Big tackle, bro.
That's a real. They're happy. They love it. In London, that's a foul. Hey, listen, Londoners, you see how they talk about you lots down south? You really gotta show up.
Let's go, it's the next semi-finalist.
Get your yard. Easy.
Oh my, hey, man, he's dropping bars mid-playing, bruv. Now he's having too much fun.
What do you reckon?
Win this point, you're through. Win this point, hands down, hands down, hands down. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. That ball was off. That ball was off.
Mate, amazing.
You had 2 seconds, the ball was off. And that wasn't a foul. I don't think, done.
Let's go, we got a match-up right here, we got a serious match-up.
He goes by the name of Sadie. Our top bowler, we call him Carves.
Go on, Ahmed. Hey, they love Uncle, they love Uncle. GG, let's go.
It's not. Uncle Carves, you deserve to be here.
Mind out the way. Brendan, mind out the way.
Ahmed, bring it back, brother.
Oh.
Leo. Damn, all the way from France.
Well done, man.
All the way from France, but it is what it is. He came up against a bad man. Uncle Carbs, you're a nutter.
Alright, Liverpool, we're here. We've obviously seen the women balling out. Credit to them for their semi-finals. It was a battle of defenses. But I can't lie. Don't you guys want to see some goals here right now? I make some noise if you want to see some goals. Come on. That's what it's all about. It's designed for goal scorers, goal getters. And that's what we got here on show for you guys. Hey, my bro, talk to them. You got anything to say to the camera right now? He's a quiet man. He's got the crowd on his side. Bro, he's a lefty. The lefties are dangerous.
Here to prove myself, really.
Bro, man like Uncle. They're calling him Uncle. Uncle. Talk to them.
Uncle. Let's have fun.
Hey, let's have fun. Hey.
The talking's done now, boys. You get me? I just have to show you what's going on.
Hey, say it with me. Let's end the talking. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Liverpool. Come on, Liverpool! 5, 4, hey! What a finish! Show them, lefty! Oi! Joe's got the whole squad behind him. Let's go, let's be fair with the passes. None of that. Hey, Joe's a right back. I seen them Joe highlights. Right back, left back, moving like Trent. Hey. The ball is going that way. It's not going straight.
What do you lot think? Rerun foul? What happened there?
Ball's going off. Ball's going off. That was the point, yeah. That was the point, Let's go, 4-2, Joe. The ball's going off. Come on, fair passes. Let's go. Space.
And we've got our next finally.
It's a dangerous one. Who do you think is winning this next semi-final? Is it Calf Man, Uncle Man, or is it Leon? Macclesfield number 7.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. He got you. Let's go. Come on, now let's go.
Fred.
Do the rock, paper, scissors.
Give them space.
Let's go.
Keep going. 5, 4, 3. I can't lie. That's a player. You can tell. Be fair. Let's be fair. Play. Keep going.
Uncle, still going. We're going for it.
What a player. Oh my days. Are you getting bodies?
That man at top ball, you can't let shoot. Leon's one.
Come on, you're still in the game. He's matched him for agility. He's matched him 4-0. He's matched him for everything. Aye, what a fucking player. Aye, bro, you're actually fucking crazy. Come on now. You gotta challenge it. No way. Oh my god!
You gotta call out Uncle out here, bro. Uncle's out here. No way, man. Uncle's out here. No one finished it.
There's no way man did that.
That's crazy. Aye.
Hey, there's no way you did that, cuz. You're the guy. Don't say something to the camera.
Told you, bro. Told you. Now I'm going to show you his levels. 5-0. Uncle who?
Oh! Hey. Man dropped a violation on the 5th point. That's like an 8-0, an unseen. Hey, listen, I've been so gassed by this top baller Adidas series. We came up here to Liverpool for the first time and we definitely want to come back. That's for sure. I've got 2 serious ballers on my left and on my right. But first, Joe, big up to you. Anything you want to say to the camera? This is a right back for Rochdale that's been locking man off and scoring some top bingo lazzos. Talk to them.
I'll give a talking in the final.
Easy. I would be lying if I said right now this ain't one of the coldest ballers we've seen on Top Baller. I'm sure he's giving you plenty of moments and he'll give us a whole bunch more. Can he go on and win it? Let us know in the comments. Leon, talk to them, my bro.
Talking to some man, I wish him the best, innit?
Alright guys, who's winning it? Joe or Leon? Who's winning it? Alright boys, rock, paper, scissors, let's go into it.
Hey, let's go, man. Top baller. Let's go, man.
Oh my days, it's too dangerous.
Do not give him an inch, bro. Do not give him an inch, he won't forgive you.
Oh, player. Oh. Rerun, of course. You know it, that's fair. Of course. Nah, rerun. I know he's still got the shot, but it's still a rerun because if he had passed it there, he would have had more space. White line, Leon, white line. Let's go. Oh, shit. Hey, listen. Sportsmanship in 10-10 though. Big up to them. I love it. I'm with it. Yeah, let's go. Keep going.
Where's he going?
It's 5 points.
That's like the first point I've seen him lose, bro.
Hey, guys.
I think he's white one.
What? 2-1 Leon. Three one to Grealish.
3-1 to Leon.
Oh my days, the strikes are just different. Come on, Joe, bang it.
Let's show someone. This guy said
Joe.
the money.
Don't let him stop you now, Joe. Come on, Joe.
Go.
Don't let him stop you now, Joe. Guys, show him love. Play on.
Well done, bro. Solid performance.
Big up to Liverpool. They showed us mad love. But next time we come here, we need some more. Can we get some more love next time? We need some more. Hey, we want to come back here. We've seen some real serious ballers. Shout out to my boy Joe that just won £250 Adidas voucher. And you know what he's keeping? Hey, what's he keeping? He's keeping the fresh boost. Joe, you've been a baller, my bro. You got anything to say to the people? My guy, it is what it is. It is what it is. Hey, listen, shout out to the runner-up, but there can only ever be one winner.
Alright, yo. Let's get one thing clear, yeah. It makes sense that on the first Predator series, the man that came with the Predators on his feet took the win home. He's got the elites on. Craziness. But you know what it is? £500 adidas voucher, £1,000 in the bank, a brand new pair of boots, and
Liverpool, you've got your first top baller.
Big up yourself, Leon, bro. Well done, my bro. Listen, the tournament has been sick. Liverpool, we love you. Everything has been wavy. Everybody, please say it with me. Top baller.
Hey,
and the
okay, let's go.
Let's go. Big up everyone. Big up everyone, yeah. Yes, Top Baller family. We need you to vote for one of these ballers to win the MVP of the tournament. Whoever gets the most votes will win a £250 Addy Club voucher and they get to keep their boots. So reply in the pinned comment below who you think deserves the MVP title. Cade the young baller or Seydou aka Uncle Carves. You can do the same for the women's episode too, so get voting.
Top Baller!